Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. Here is your countdown book 2. Now open your countdown. Today we are going to revise our next chapter number 4, that is multiplication. So students, today we will learn about the multiplication. Students, do you remember this sign, the cross sign? This sign is actually the sign of multiplication. Students, let's learn about multiplication by this video.
Let's understand the concept of multiplication with the help of these little fish. There are 4 fish bowls. There are 2 fish in each bowl. To get the total number of fish, we add the number of fish in all the 4 bowls. That is, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. There are 8 fish in all. Here, we repeatedly added 2 4 times. This is called multiplication operation. Multiplication is repeated addition. We can do this multiplication operation in an easier way. Let's see how. There are 4 fish bowls. Each bowl has 2 fish in it. Now, 4 times 2 is 8. So, there are 8 fish in all. Let us use the multiplication symbol to write this statement. This is called the multiplication sentence. It can be read as 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8, or 4 twos are 8.
Students, we have learned about the multiplication and the concept of multiplication. Now let's try to solve. We are going to solve our sums on page number 53. Students, open page number 53. Look students, here are the 2 friendly octopuses, and look students, each octopus has 8 legs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Look, both of the octopuses have 8 legs. Okay, now we want to know how many legs altogether. Altogether they have how many legs? Look students, it means that we have 2 sets of 8. That can also be written as 8 plus 8. And for our easy, we don't use the addition sign here. We are going to multiply these both numbers. Okay students? Look, here we have multiplied the 2 sets of 8 legs, and our answer is 2 8s are 16. It means that we have find out the total legs of both of the octopuses by the simple sign of multiplication. Okay students? Here is the second example of the multiplication. Look students, 3 flags are flying. Look at this, 3 flags are flying, and each flag has 5 stars. Look at this, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Each flag has 5 stars, and we are going to count the whole stars of the 3 flags. It means that how many stars does we have altogether? Here we have 3 sets of 5. How many sets? 1, 2 and 3. 3 sets of 5. And we are going to multiply it. 3 sets of 5. And here we are using the sign of multiplication. You have learned all the tables in class 1 till the 10. So here we are going to multiply 3 5s are 15. It means that we have 15 stars in these flags altogether. Okay, students? Look, students, here are the 6 cars on the roads. Each car has 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 are on the other side. Each car has 4 wheels. Okay? Now we are going to calculate that how many wheels altogether. Okay? How many sets we have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 sets of 4. So we are going to write it as 6 multiplied by 4. 6 fours are 24. So we have calculated our that here we have 24 wheels altogether. Here is the next example of the ladybirds. Look at the pic, students. Here we have 6 ladybirds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And each ladybird has how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Each ladybird has 6 legs. These are the antennas. You will not count them into the legs. Okay. So here all the ladybirds have 6 legs. We can't write 6 plus 6 plus 6 times. Okay. We will take the 6 sets of 6. And here we are going to write it in this way. 6 sets of 6. And we will write it as 6 multiplied by 6. And our answer will be 6 6 are 36. Our answer is 36 here. Okay, students? Now, students, come on page number 54. And in the topic, the question is, do you remember your times tables? So, students, do you remember your times table? Tell me. We have learned our 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10's table. And now we are going to revise our tables. Look at this. Here is a student like you, and he is going to ask you the tables that we have learned before, and you are going to answer his questions. Okay, students, let's start from the first cloud. So tell me, students, we have learned the table of 8. 8 twos are, tell me, students, 8 twos are 16. Next is 7. We have learned the table of 7. 7 threes are 21. You are going to revise your tables first and you will write their answers by yourself easily. Next cloud is this. Look, students, 3 fours are 12. Next is 5. 5 fives are 25. Next is this table. 3 tens are 30. 6 fives are the same answer, 30. Next table is of 2, that is very easy for you. 2 twos are 4. Next is 4 fours are 16. Here is the cloud. 9 tens are, students, tell me, 9 twos are 18. 8 tens are 80. Here is the next. 3 threes are 9. 9 fives are 45. Remember one thing, students. Either 9 is multiplied by 5 or 5 is multiplied by 9. Answer is same. It means that if I am writing here 5 nines are, then answer will be the same. Let's take the other example. 8 threes are 24. Let's take it by shuffling these two numbers. If I am taking 3 8s are 3 times 8, 3 8s are, answer is same, 24. Okay students, so either the number are shuffling with each other, the answer will be the same. Okay, 6 4s are, answer is same, 24. Okay students, next is 7 5s are 35, and we have learned before that either numbers are shuffled with each other, the answer will be the same. So here we are multiplying 5 with the 7. 5 7s are, answer is same, that is 35. And here is our last cloud. 10 10s are 100. 8 5s are 40. Okay students, look, we have solved our clouds and the questions that are asking by the student. Now you are going to practice these tables by yourself. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.